Michelle, how did that go?
A little better.
A little bit better?
Connected, yeah.
Yes, Michael, you
Felt more connected.
Sorry?
Yeah, sorry.
How did
It was more connected. I was really listening to Chris's needs or Ariana's needs in the dream. She was really scared, so I just really trying to be really pay attention to her vitals and just really pay attention to her concerns in the dream, because she had a crazy woman with a knife try to stab at her, so she's afraid.
Yes, yes. You see, when you have a piece of business or your independent activity that you can hang your hat on, and then all you have to do is just really do this piece of activity well and with importance, and it has its own stake. The stakes are very high if you don't do it well, right? And also just go after your intention. Your intention is just, I just really want to take care of all this. I want to take care of these two people. I want to show her how this all works. And then the rest will come. Because if you are dead serious and dead focused on getting to your objective, which is, I just want to show her, I want to show her. And then when things are flown at you left and right, and she doesn't want to do this job anymore, and she wants to leave, and she said, that's the wife and everything. Almost all those things is inconsequential. Why? Because, oh, she doesn't want to do this job. Oh, I need to show her better. I need to show it to her better so that she can do the job. Oh, she is not aware of the wife. Oh, well, whatever, it doesn't matter. You know, I want to show you how this whole thing works. So that will automatically, you as an actor will do something creative to get, you will, it almost by organically, you will do something creative to get your objective. Even when curveballs are being thrown at you, meaning the obstacle is Ariana doesn't want to do this anymore. She wants to leave now. You know, her reactions are all her reactions are obstacles to you. You just want to help her, right? You want to help her get to a place where she's comfortable, and then she comes on the team. She is obviously not comfortable at the moment she woke up. But your whole objective is, I want to show it to her. So all the creative things that you think of to do to show her when she is posing you all these obstacles is acting. You see, all these little things that you did in the scene, how you looked at her, how you respond to Cobb, how you deal with your activity, is all based on you going after your objective, meaning I just want to show her. As simple as that. It's really as simple, but it's a technique, so it takes a little while to perfect. It takes a little while to perfect. Very, very nice. And the moment you listen to your scene partner, everything comes.